Anita, I can see you.
Yes. Hi.
I
Hello,
can also
everyone.
hear you. Please click on the share screen button. It's loading. I can see it.
Here I can show the audio, right?
Yes. Please go to presentation mode.
All right. Hi, everyone. We're in Mind Labs in Tilburg in the Netherlands today. We are the Brainiacs. I'm Anita. I'm representing my team today. And we have been here before, and we're back for more, actually. Under the supervision of Mariam, we have come back with a new project. Last time, you might remember us from a P300 speller smart home, which we created. And that was mostly aimed to people with limited motor control. So for example, locked-in syndrome or ALS patients, and was a reactive BCI paradigm. And this time we decided, well, let's make something that we ourselves would use, and a different kind of paradigm. We opted for a passive BCI system. And so we came onto the problem of focusing. And we've seen this before today, actually. There was another team interested in focusing attention, which is interesting because it's probably because hardware for EEG and that kind of monitoring stuff is becoming more accessible. And you can see it as a kind of Fitbit for your brain. Who wouldn't want to see what's going on in there? And we think that there is a value in understanding your own rhythm. So we made kind of a concept art for, well, this is the kind of application we could make. As you can see here, we're tracking the productive hours. For example, I am a morning person, while Jos and Kat are evening people, and they would probably be more productive here. And as you can track it over the day, you should be able to see, oh, well, this is when I was very much engaged in my task. And we decided to bring this into reality with a passive BCI system. We're using the Unicorn Hybrid Black here in combination with the EEG engagement index, which is from neuroergonomics. You divide the beta power spectrum by alpha and theta, and it's an indicator of vigilance and attention. And we use it to provide assistance and kind of visualize your attention level. So they should indicate, oh, you're feeling a little sleepy. That could be something. This is our loop, system loop. We have a BCI cap, and we customize it with extra holes under supervision of Mariam, of course, to focus on the frontal regions here. And we feed this signal into our MATLAB Simulink pipeline, which we will show off later in the video, which extracts the EEG engagement index, plots it nicely on an actually functional website. And you can look at it directly and see, oh, I'm being distracted, or you can port it elsewhere, which we also did. This is our final product. You can actually see in real time, Caterina here is wearing an EEG cap. And if you scan that QR code, you should be able to see her engagement level just kind of move every 10 seconds. So I'll give you a couple more seconds to scan it if you want.
To mention the noise that has happened due to movement.
Yes, do note she hasn't slept in a while and movement might interfere. But we also wanted to connect a study buddy, which gives you a drowsiness warning if your engagement drops too low. And it can also give you motivational cues. In theory, you can extend this to other devices as well. If you want like a Amazon Alexa or even a smart toaster, if you're so willing to do that. And we have reflected a lot. We've created a lot of things that we didn't know we could, which resulted in a lot of folders and trials and fails and trials and fails. And we would like to show them in a short video. Hope you enjoy.
So Anita, here it's loading. I'm not sure if you see it. Same for you?
I might be able to do it locally. That might be better. So, second. Let's save here as well. Can you see this?
This works, yeah.
All right.
We have the Team Brainy hack again. They were participants last time in October, and they actually got a lot of awards.
Let's check on our friend from Team Brains. How are you doing, Gwen? How are you feeling?
We're filming. Hello, it's 5:42 here in Mindlabs in Tilburg, and we're working on our system. We have this beautiful Simulink system developed where we can actually extract the engagement index. And the word to my colleague who is going to explain the system.
Thank you, Caterina. So right here we have the Simulink system. It has a few components.
The brainstorm.
First of all, over here you have where the data is loaded in from the unicorn. So this connects to the unicorn. Then we perform a short-time Fourier transform over here, which gets the powers within the right frequency bands that we want. And here they are split up into 3 frequency bands. We have an alpha frequency band, a theta frequency band, and a beta frequency band.
Theta, alpha, and beta.
Yeah. Which is then further moved on in the rest of the system, which calculates the engagement index. And then it is sent through UDP to our website.
Your engagement is 60. Keep up the good work. Your engagement is 44. I noticed your engagement has been low. Want out of some candy?
Sure.
All right, that was our demo.
Wow, this was ultra nice. Anita, can I license it next year for the Spring School to see if Spring School attendees are engaged?
Well, if a collaboration is coming up, we wouldn't say no.
We don't have to do the exam. I just look at the engagement index of everybody, and that's the score on the certificate.
Oh, perhaps, who knows?